Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of pteridophytes, and today's practical is study of transverse section of the root of the genus Lycopodium. Lycopodium, it is the plant of pteridophytes. Let us see how to do the practical. What is the requirement of practical here? The classwork, we require classwork material of the root of the Lycopodium. We need watch glass, slide, needles, cover slip, blade, safranin, blotting paper, brush, small size brush we need, and the microscope. This is the requirement of practical of study of transverse section of root of the Lycopodium. Okay. How to do the practical? Procedure of the practical. Take a transverse section of given material with the help of new blade and select a very thin section and stain with a drop of safranin. Remove that stained section and mount in a drop of glycerin and then observe under the microscope. Note the details of distribution of various tissue in the root. What we have to observe in the slide? Let us see observation. The outermost layer of the root is termed as epidermis, which is single layered, which is made up of barrel-shaped cells. All the cells are compactly arranged. That we have to observe. Some of the epidermal cells are modified into hair-like outgrowths. The hair-like structures are known as root hairs. Okay. And there is multi-layered cortex which is situated below the epidermal layer. Next slide. The cortex is made up of thin-walled parenchymatous cells. Parenchymatous cells are food-storing cells which are arranged without leaving intercellular spaces between them. They are compactly arranged. That we have to observe in the slide. There is a great variation in the arrangement of vascular tissue in the stele of the root of the genus Lycopodium that varies according to the species. Okay. The stele may be monarch type or diarch type or triarch type. That depends on the type of species. Okay. In the diarch type of stele, two groups of protoxylem are situated at the peripheral region, that is outer region, and metaxylem, that is large sized vessels, they are situated at the central region of the stele. In the root, the xylem strands resemble the capital C letter, C-like or U-shaped. The phloem is placed in the cavity of capital C or U-shaped xylem tissue. Okay, next. This is the photograph of transverse section of root of the Lycopodium. Okay, see the outer cortex, inner cortex, endodermis, pericycle is shown here, and protoxylem, exarch type of protoxylem, metaxylem is shown here, phloem tissue is shown in the photograph. This is the photograph of figure of transverse section of root of Lycopodium. Next. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.